In the previous video, I showed you how to use SEMrush to do keyword research and also check for keyword difficulty and other cool stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use another favorite tool called Longtail Pro to do keyword research. Pretty same like we did with SEMrush. You can start using this incredible keyword research tool for just $1. If you just have the budget, go ahead and get it. If you don't, you can get the free trial, and if you are really not happy with it, you can cancel anytime. There is a link down below this video. Use that link and get a huge discount. This is the dashboard for Longtail Pro. Once you download and install and open the software, the first thing you need to do is to create a new project. So to do this, you have to click on this plus button right here. And then all you have to do is enter your project's name, select the country, select the language, the network, and then click on create project. So once you create the project, you will see it right here. So you can create as many projects as you want. So if you click on this icon right here, you can select through all your projects. Now, if you look at the top here, you can see we have keywords, suggested bids, global searches, advertiser competition, and average keyword competitiveness. So here, what you need to do is you can just click on this icon right here, and then you can choose which one you want them to show up there. So if I click on Google title competition, you see it shows up there. If I deselect it, you see it's gone. So now the next thing we need to do right now is to click on find keywords. And if you remember, we did search for how to get X back. So once you hit the keyword, just click on generate keywords and fetch data, and then just sign in with your Google account. Now here are the results for the keyword how to get X back. So here you can see all the list of keywords right here, and then here you can see the suggested bid, and here you can see the global searches. All right, so the global searches start from the highest to the lowest. So when I click on global searches, it's going to start from lowest and then go way down to the highest. All right, and here is the advertiser competition from low to high. Well, this doesn't really matter for now. And here is the domain availability. You know, it takes every keyword and searched whether it has same domain. All right, so let's say if it's red, like if it's this one, then it means how to get him back.com is not available. But if it's blue, then it means that domain name is available. So you can just go ahead and go out there and then buy that domain name. So now to search for the keyword average competitiveness, all you have to do is to put your mouse anywhere here and then just click on calculate. So I'm just going to calculate a few keywords right here. All right, so here all you have to do is to just go through the list and see which one has low keyword competitiveness, right? So if it's 51, I will not try to rank it. I'll not try to rank it now. Maybe in the later, when I have more sites in the first page of Google, I can go ahead and rank for this kind of keyword, right? But always stay between 20 to 40 or even 45. So if I go to the keyword that we chose, how to get your ex-girlfriend back, here you can see it's 44. 44, it's fairly easy to rank. With the strategies that I'm about to show you, it's very easy to rank pretty much any keyword, whether it's competitive or whether it's not competitive. You just need to know how to do it.